Hello guys. So I purchased the Theory 11 jigsaw for Lord of the Rings because I love Lord of the Rings. These are the photos. These are like me finishing like the end of a session or a day of working on it. I want to say it genuinely took like 20 to 30 hours in total to finish it. It was very tough. It's got gold, green, black, and white, and that is it. It is the hardest jigsaw I've ever done. Not that I do a huge amount of jigsaws, but once the jigsaw is finished, you take a photo with it in a dark room with the flash on your camera, and it flashes a secret message up which has a link to a website. It's very cool. I'm not going to give out the link because I'd rather people actually did the jigsaw and completed that part of the puzzle, because truth be told, the jigsaw was the better part of this adventure. But yeah. Hey. Oh. Yeah, boy. We've done it. Oh, fucking hell, that's crazy. Well, hey, so after finishing the jigsaw, we can enter the world of the internet. It's wild, I know. Absolutely wild. So, I simply enter a website, which is really weird, because that website just popped up, but I don't know why. I'm going to try and hide it all because I don't really want it to be out there for you all. I'd rather you completed the jigsaw. Actually, let's check. Does theory11.com, where you can purchase the jigsaw, actually have them still? Because they did say that they were limited run. Yeah, they've still got the Lord of the Rings one in stock. I don't know how limited the run is. It's got 57 reviews. Look at it go. But yeah, so I'm not going to do that. If the website had run out, I'd have given out the website, because it's not like you could get it from them anymore. But welcome to Lord of the Rings. I don't know what this is. Don't know what this is about. Or anything like that. This one. Queen. King. Oh, it's a game of matching. Whoa. Can I whack? That one. Ah. So now you're you and him. We've not found him yet. Or her. Oh. You're that one. Can out that reverberation. Good God. And there we go. So I believe it's puzzles, obviously Lord of the Rings themed. Oh my lord. Right, okay. Okay, so you use WASD to get through. I'm guessing we want to avoid the orcs. Where's he going? Okay, he's coming for me. Oh, I bet they follow a set path. So then it's avoid the path. Ooh. Watch out, Gandalf. Where's he going? The Balrog. Oh, it moves. Oh, it chases you. I got a sword. I got a sword. Bloody hell, that is loud. Oh, now I've got to kill them all. Okay. Oh, so he chases you based on where you are in the puzzle. Okay. He just straight up hits you with... Go fuck you. Boom. This is so loud. Yeah, you've actually got to, like, think about where the Balrog's gonna go, don't you? Fuck. Let's just avoid him then for now. We know one of these comes this way. And that last one, okay. Where can we make the Balrog go? Boom, right, now we've got to get to the exit without being moided. Way! Gandalf, he wins. He always wins.
Well. What have we here? Trapped in the cave it is. Gollum knows the way out. Let's play a game. If you win, Gollum will show you the way.
Oh my god. Whack. Don't click on him.
Is it creature? Is it feast? Tricksy little orcish beast. Out it comes from gloomy coves, small but mighty when in droves. We were merely seeking food, when it did spoil Gollum's mood. Because of nasty little thing, Gollum lost his precious ring.
The answer is Bilbo. We could go... Should we... I don't know if we want to try Hobbit or Bilbo. Hobbit.
Wrong. Go on. Try again.
Alright, let's try Bilbo this time. What? Is it creature? Is it feast? Tricksy little orcish beast. Out it comes from gloomy coves, small but mighty when in droves. We was merely seeking food when it did spoil Gollum's mood. Because of nasty little thing, Gollum lost his precious ring. What? But it's Bilbo Baggins that steals the ring from Gollum. What happens that causes Gollum to lose it? Oh my god. What does this do? Need help? Press the hint button. Go on. Answer 3. Really? The riddles have one-word answers. Okay. What the fuck is it? The answer is Bilbo. I don't know what to tell you. Did I spell Bilbo wrong? Does it want to try again or hear a fresh riddle? I want to know the answer. If you make 3 wrong guesses, you can choose a new riddle. Answer. Oh, okay. So that's it. What is the answer? If something comes out... I'm pretty sure something comes out that scares Gollum, which is why he drops the ring. Or like he forgets about it. Bilbo grabs it because they have a bit of a jostle and a tussle. But what the fuck is it? I have read this far into the book, but that was like 10 years ago. And I've seen the film a few times, but not for a long time. A little orc. A thief. Have I spelled thief right? Let's find out. Thief. Wrong way. Okay. Thief. Oh, fuck off. Go on, give me a new riddle. Don't even get to know the answer. That's annoying. I really want to know the answer to that. Sorry?
We found it precious long ago, but Bilbo's stolen it.
Was the answer Baggins? Ah.
Wicked foe, it haunts us still with endless greed. We want it back, it's all we need.
Precious long ago, but ring. The one ring to rule them all.
Lucky guess. Very lucky. But it's best of three. Keep playing, precious.
Wait, if he's calling us precious, that means we're his alter ego, which is a bit odd.
When hunger looms, this gift you'll seek, a wrapped parcel to nourish the weak. Once risen in the land of elves, and once cast from the highest shelf, unlike goblins, bats and fish, Gollum cannot eat this dish.
Lambus bread. How the fuck do you spell lambus bread? Lambus? Fuck it. Lambus bread. Oh, lembas. Cool. Lembas.
What? Not fair, not fair! How did you know the answer? Gollum won't be tricked so easily. One more, precious.
I'm losing the accent. I lost it in the beginning. We got kind of good in the middle, and we've lost it again.
Sneaky it is, but often seen, creeping around where we have been. No blood it has, yet it can run, silent and hidden, tricking sun. What is it, precious? Can you tell us? Cast always dark, our secret dwells.
It's a shadow. Is there two D's in shadow?
No! You answered all the riddles. Gollum, we'll eat you anyway. Come here, precious.
Run! Oh my god. Run, Bilbo, run! Hoppa, hoppa, hoppa. Oh, okay, I actually have to. Hoppa. Ooh. It's not very good at changing direction. Run, Gollum's gonna eat me. They're eating him. Then they're gonna... Ooh. Can we not just... Oh, this is what causes us to turn around. It's not me. Shit. I'm I didn't have a choice. Oh shit, yeah, I was supposed to go down. Down. Ooh. Up, 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 up. Ah, up. The game auto turns you. So I need to drop it. There we go. What the fuck's that? That looks. I didn't notice that the first time. Ah! Up, up, ah, up, up, ah. Well, we made it this far. Tap to throw the ring into the fire. Oh, we were Frodo. Woo! We did it. My name. Smelly ducks. Your email. I'm just gonna pause the recording. Actually, fuck it. I don't need to because it's actually available as my business email. So fuck it. Who cares? Email me. I beat the average time. I'm the 371st person to solve the puzzle. As if there's only that many people that have solved it. Pog. It's actually quite good. Bit short. I thought it was going to be more of like an actual puzzle. It was weird that there was the riddles bit. So like, you've got Gandalf, what I assume is him defeating the Balrog. Then you go to Gollum's riddles. And then you go to escaping Gollum to get to the fires of Mount Doom. Like, it doesn't make sense, does it? But there we go. We did it. Congratulations. Yeah. GG. Thank you very much for watching. And ta-ra! I mean, can you believe it? This motherfucker forgot to thank the amazing Tater Prius for supporting the channel through the membership program. Find out how you can do so. Top link in the description. Join button next to the subscribe button. 99 pence a month. Couple benefits. Easy peasy. Soka. Thank you very much for watching. And ta-ra!